What's up everybody, it's Anita from AnitaAvalos.com, and today I'm in the kitchen. It's been a while since I've been in the kitchen, and we're doing a little quinoa avocado lime salad. This recipe today is inspired by Karina, the gluten-free goddess. If you have not gone to this blog yet, you definitely need to check it out. By far, I think it has the best gluten-free recipes out there, from side dishes to main dishes to baking. She's definitely got it covered, and it's definitely a go-to source I go to when I'm looking for gluten-free inspiration. So I'm taking her quinoa taco salad, just changing it a little bit and presenting it to you today. So let's check out what we've got going on. I just finished cooking in my rice cooker. Trying not to burn myself here to show you guys. A little bit of quinoa, about a cup of quinoa cooked, so it's about 2 cups. Diced cilantro, about a 1/4 cup, maybe a little bit more of large red onion, finely diced, and then a little bit of green onion for a little bit of change of flavor. And then I've got 1 large avocado, and we're going to have the juice of 2 limes, maybe more, because I like lime a lot. And then over here, I've got a little mix. I had some frozen mango left from some smoothies I made, but here is just a white peach that we got today at the farmer's market, about half of that white peach, and that's also going to get mixed in the salad. So we're going to have a nice texture and difference of flavors here, going with the sweet and the savory. And so everything you see here, except for the quinoa, was purchased at our local farmer's market, and most of it was purchased today. So it just shows you the great things you can find when you shop locally and at the farmer's market. On top of my quinoa salad, I'm going to be putting a little bit of grilled salmon, which I also purchased at the farmer's market on the Tuesday farmer's market here in Culver City. That's going to go on my dish. Mike's going to have it without the fish, so I'll show you how we're going to put all that together. So we're going to start by taking this quinoa here and just putting it into a large mixing bowl. Enjoying this very fun balancing act here. I love quinoa because it cooks so quickly. So it's not that waiting game like you have with rice. And then I'm going to add the juice of 1 lime to start. So we got 1 lime, and then just a little bit of olive oil. Just sprinkling that on top. And kind of mix that together. And then we're going to add a little bit of sea salt. And then we're going to go ahead and add in the cilantro. And then some of the green onion. And the red onion. It's always fun cooking at home because you can, when it's just for you and your roommate or your husband or boyfriend or girlfriend, because you can skip all those formalities and just use your hands. So that goes in, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the second lime. Now, Karina's recipe says you could do some grilled corn. I avoid corn a lot, even though I love it. If you're going to do corn, I definitely would suggest you do organic corn. So I'm just going to mix that up again. Okay, so now I went ahead and I diced up the, I diced up the avocado. I'm going to just add that in. Anything with avocado, I don't know, just don't think you can go wrong. Of course, if you're doing this for like a dinner party and you're really caring about presentation, then I would say You might want to be a little more meticulous about your cutting, but for my old man, so I don't think he'll care. So we got all that in, all that green, and we're just going to toss it. Okay, so now I'm just going to add the fruit in. And this is again just to change up the flavor. You do not have to do the fruit. You could also do something like black beans, tomatoes. The way that I'm making this today, I'm making this also appropriate for my soon-to-be detoxers for the summer center detox. So this is a great one that you can use. So before I prep it and plate it, I just want to make sure it's... That is so good. It's like creamy, sweet. You know what? I'm gonna live large. Just gonna add a little more lime. Another half a lime. Gorgeous. Okay, now wait for the lovely salad is going to rest on a little bit of this amazing, gorgeous red leaf lettuce. You could also use romaine. But I just had to show this to you. This thing is massive. Sorry, it's like a side note, but this guy was like $1.25 at the farmer's market. You got to be hitting up the farmer's market. Look at this guy. Okay, so I went ahead and plated this quinoa salad, the lime avocado quinoa salad. I just took that gorgeous head of romaine, cleaned off a few leaves, set it at the bottom of a bowl, and then scooped out about, I don't know, 2 large scoops of the quinoa salad on top. And this is going to be my plate here with a little bit of the king salmon that I talked about, so you can definitely garnish it with something else. And again, this entire recipe, even if you do it with the fish or totally vegan style, both sides are completely detox friendly on the Summer Stunner Detox program. So for those of you, again, joining the program, this is a recipe that you're probably going to want to bookmark because you could definitely try it, and it's a nice, light, spring, summer, either lunch or supper dish, or even a side dish that you can take to your favorite summer picnic that might be coming up. And that's how you prepare a gluten-free quinoa lime avocado salad.